Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is CA Ayushi Gupta. In this video, I am going to discuss about a vacancy. This vacancy is from Comptroller and Auditor General of India, and this recruitment is for short-term engagement of chartered accountants as expert consultants in the Indian Audit and Accounts Department. So in this video, I am going to discuss about this entire recruitment notification. So make sure you watch this video till the end to get a complete understanding of this notification. So first of all, it is given how you are going to be selected for this vacancy. So the selection process would carry a weighted score of your marks that you have scored in CA final examination, your experience in financial audit, your extra certifications that you are having, and your performance in interviews. Then next it is given the period of engagement is going to be for 3 years and it can be further extended for a maximum duration of 2 years. And this contract can be terminated by giving 1 month notice either from the employer side or from the employee side. Then it is given what educational qualification and work experience is required to apply for this vacancy. So the educational qualification that is required is chartered accountancy, and a minimum period of 4 years post qualification experience is required in assurance, financial audit, assignments of companies, societies and trusts. After that, it is given your remuneration is going to be paid based on where you are posted. So the cities or towns are classified as A category, B category and C category, and accordingly your remuneration is going to be 2,50,000 rupees or 2,25,000 rupees or 2 lakh rupees per month respectively. And there are in total 65 vacancies for different locations which are given here, and all these locations have been classified as A category cities, B category cities or C category cities that you can go through from this recruitment notification. After that, how you have to apply, it is given that you have to fill out a complete application form that is given below this recruitment notification. I will show it to you as well. So you have to fill that application form, then attach your relevant documents like your educational qualification certificates, your work experience certificates, and you have to submit it to the office of the CAG of India, New Delhi. So there are two ways by which you can submit your application. One is offline mode and second is online mode. If you are applying through offline mode, you have to send your application in an envelope, and that envelope needs to be labeled as application for the position of expert consultant in commercial accounting and financial auditing, and this needs to be sent to Director Personnel, Office of the CAG of India, 9 Deen Dayal Upadhyay Marg, New Delhi. Also, you can apply through online mode, and there are two email IDs that are given here. You can submit your application to both of these email IDs as well. And the last date to apply for this vacancy is 20th February 2026, latest by 5:30 p.m. After that, a complete application form is given, so you have to take a printout of this application form and fill it accordingly. Fill all the details, attach your relevant documents, certifications, your recent passport size photographs, and send it either offline mode or through online mode. So this is the complete recruitment notification that has come from the CAG of India. This is a very good opportunity for all the chartered accountants. Number of vacancies are very good. There are in total 65 vacancies. The pay is also very good. So all those who are willing to apply for this vacancy, I recommend to first go through this entire recruitment notification and understand it properly. And if you are eligible and interested to apply, then please go ahead in applying for this vacancy. So that's all from my side. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to the channel for more such videos in the future. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye. Take care.